Hi everyone, this is Lori from IT Explaurah. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways on how you can remove duplicates in Microsoft Excel. So, we have a sample dataset here with 3 columns: representative, location, and quantity. Let's go ahead and try our first method, which is using the remove duplicate feature. Okay, I want to keep my original data set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this table and paste it here. Let's adjust the width. Perfect. Okay, so select the Data tab and highlight the cells or the range of cells and click on the Remove Duplicate icon. And there you go, 16 unique records. Let's try it once more, but this time we want to get the unique locations. So copy the locations, paste it here, and click Remove Duplicate icon. There you go. We have found the unique locations. The next method is using the unique function. First, we want to select a blank cell and enter the formula unique, open parenthesis, and then select the table. You can see the diagonal arrow and select it, and you will see that it shows the name of the table, which is sample. Hit enter. All right, and just do the format as you wish. There you go. So yeah, 16 records. A few moments ago, we selected the table for our unique function. In this case, it is this sample table. So anything that we do on our sample table affects the result of our unique function. Now we can see the new record added. Let us say we make it a unique record. Say 2 to 5. So real time, you're seeing the changes. But what if we add a duplicate? Let's try it. And it's gone. Why? Because it's a duplicate. That's what it does. So our last method is through Power Query. You select the table or select the range of cells, and then you click on From Table or Range, and now you'd see the Power Query editor. So next, what we need to do is to select all columns, right-click, and select Remove Duplicates. Then click Close and Load, and we will select the cell. Okay, click OK, and yeah, we see the records here. We'll just format it. Okay, now we're seeing 17 records. Why is that? Okay, so let's open Power Query Editor again. And kindly note that Power Query is case sensitive. So we have here one record, Amy Cruz, and last name is all lowercase. So we need to add another step, highlight the column, representative, and click Transform, and then Format, capitalize each word. And make sure that this step is before removed duplicates. All right, and we reload it, close and load. And there you go, we have 16 records. Alright, so those are the 3 ways on how to remove duplicates in Excel, and I hope this video helps. Bye!